That's the secret to making your campaigns truly unforgettable.
Last year, we built a Santa chatbot that replies to your comments and sends you some marketing advice in Santa's voice. But in the world of AI, technology has improved so much so that this year we decided to give Santa a video call. So here is how we are going to give Santa a video call. So this is the page that we built to give Santa a call. So you come in here and fill out your details. So I'm gonna fill out my details in here and click to connect with Santa. It's taking a second and then connecting to North Pole in 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I have a button here. I'm ready for the call. If I click this, I'll be redirected to a meeting page. Here is the meeting page, and I'm on this another camera. I selected this microphone and I'm ready to join. I click join.
Ho, 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 how are you, Jitin? How is the
I
weather
am.
in...
I'm doing great. Were you asking something about the weather?
Ho, ho, ho. No, I wasn't asking about the weather. I'm glad to hear you're doing great, though. What brings you to this call today, my friend?
I was just testing out some automation and I just wanted to have a chat with you.
Ah, testing out some automation, eh? Well,
Yeah.
I'm...
Sorry to cut you off.
No need to apologize, my friend. I'm all ears, and I'm happy to chat with you. Please go ahead and share what's on your mind. Ho, 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 I'm all yours, I'm all yours.
Pretty much. Is there any words of wisdom do you want to share?
Ah, my friend, I've got a whole sleigh full of wisdom to share. Ho, ho, ho. Remember that in marketing, it's all about being creative, innovative, and customer-centric. Keep your audience in mind, and always look for ways to bring a little joy and magic to their lives. That's the secret to making your campaigns truly unforgettable.
Very insightful. Do you have any Christmas stories as well?
Oh, I've got a whole treasure trove of Christmas stories to share. Let me tell you about the time I helped a small business create a holiday campaign that increased their sales by 20%. Ho, ho, ho! It was a real Christmas miracle. We focused on personalized marketing, targeting their audience with tailored messages and offers. The result was a huge success. And it just goes to show that with a little creativity and holiday cheer, anything is possible.
You're a marketing genius as well.
Ho, 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 ho! Thank you, my friend. I like to think that I bring a little bit of magic to the world of marketing. After all, it's all about spreading joy and making people's lives a little brighter, isn't it? And that's what the holiday season is all about. Ho, ho, ho! I'm glad you think I'm a marketing genius, but I just like to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions to help businesses succeed.
That's great. So that was my brief chat with Santa, and he gave me some marketing advice and he gave some stories as well. So this is how you can leverage AI into your marketing automation campaigns. This is just one of the examples, and there are many more creative solutions like this. If you want to have a chat, please let me know. And if you have any questions, please let me know. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a great Christmas and have a great year ahead. Thank you and bye.